What is going on, YouTube? I hope all of you guys are having a fantastic day. I hope all of you guys are being productive and enjoying yourself on this day. It is May 30th, so Destined Rivals release day. I'll get to Destined Rivals in a future video, but not today. I want to hop into, guys, the two products you should be investing in for long term. I'm not going to lie when I say this to you. I'm probably going to spend a long time on this video because I do want to make my answer really clear out there. And, of course, I have my handy-dandy drawing board so you guys can see. Let's hop into this, but I gotta mention, right before I do, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take this for your own advice. Let's begin, guys. I want to start off with the Prismatic Evolutions Super Premium Collection. I have so much faith in this, I call it UPC, because it is, first off, a UPC, guys, and it's prismatic. When people, I remember someone saying in my comment section, bro, this box is gonna go to like freaking $150, dude. It will never. I think right now it is at its lowest point it will ever reach. And when I mean I have backup and I have reasoning for this video, I do, guys. I have my points. I have already locked and loaded. For those of you who do not know, this product came out, I don't know, I'm guessing like 2 weeks ago now, maybe. And it has seen a significant drop, which is expected. This is something you should know in the Pokemon market already. If you started collecting during Prismatic, you've been watching some of my videos, you've been watching a lot of other YouTubers, or investments and strategies along the way, you guys know that supply and demand sort of work together. And the box has just plummeted. And I believe it will plummet to a bearish low of 200. I'm calling it if it goes there. But I still think right now this thing is super affordable. And you guys have to keep in mind this video is for long term, so don't expect to flip it in the next 2 months and make 400 bucks. That's not what this video is about. Prismatic Evolutions, no doubt, has been the most hyped set ever in Pokemon history. We've never seen a card on release go for more than $1,500. We've never seen cards, plural, go for hundreds, plural. I'm not talking about a $200 card and a $100 card, 400, 500, 400, 400, 300. And I'm rounding, by the way, so keep that in mind. 300, 300. I've never seen an ETB on release day. I've never seen an ETB on release day go for like 150 bucks. So no one has ever seen that. Which is why my point being, this stuff, guys, is a freaking opportunity to invest. Prismatic ETBs have been on the decline past 3 months. Sorry about that real quick. But they've also been on a decline due to the fact of just the supply. There's so much of it getting printed now, and there's so much getting seen. Same thing going on with this. However, when this is wiped out, guys, it is wiped out. There's no reprints for these UPCs. At least I've never seen one in my life. And that's the thing about Pokemon is stuff can change, right? You can never truly 100% predict the market. Because I don't know, Pokemon could print these again in 2 months and maybe the hype ended and you're able to get these for 100 bucks. I don't know. But knowing, forecasting, and predicting the next sets, the hype, there's still a lot around here. The thing with ETBs and booster bundles and everything, guys, is that those get reprints, but these don't. And usually within the 2 weeks of this item being released, we see the lowest price. And I think we're seeing that right now of around $210. This guy even got it for $200. That guy's pretty lucky. I think paying a double for MSRP for such a good product isn't even that bad. What you guys don't realize, though, is that this is not no prismatic product. This is the grand finale of it. This is what people want the most. If you were to go up to someone and say, hey, bro, what do you want? Do you want a Prismatic UPC or a Pokemon Center ETB? I bet you 95% of them would choose the UPC unless you're weird because, honestly, bro, sure, I'm not going to lie. The Pokemon Center ETBs, they're cool, but let's be real, guys. We all want the Prismatic UPC. There was so much hype around it and everything. It's freaking crazy. Just quick water right there. But my point being is that, like, these two go together, the ETB and the UPC, because they're never going to get reprinted. But I really think, guys, maybe the Prismatic ETB, Pokemon Center ETB had its time to buy. Maybe I could have made that video like this. But it's already past that. It's already gaining its value. It's already going to go up. Past month, up 15%. Sure, it's had its ups and downs, but main point, guys, it's going up now, right? We're sort of seeing that uptrend. But as you could get my point, as soon as more of these are getting purchased, there's no more left. And they never reprint these Pokemon Center ETBs. At least not to the point of, you know what I'm saying. But I really do believe in this, guys. I really do believe in this. You get 15 packs, a promo, a deck box and everything, but it's just the overall aesthetic. There's something about packs and aesthetic, right? You buy a booster bundle. Why do you buy a booster bundle, guys? Because it has packs. Why do you sell it later on in life? Because it has packs. That's all people care about. That's why Pokemon made booster bundles. Why do people want ETBs? Because they're aesthetic and they have packs. Why do people want a UPC? Because they're aesthetic, the best product in the entire line, have packs and everything else. Guys, this literally has half as much packs as a booster box, practically, right? Really, really cool. And the reason why I'm so hyper on this product right now is because it's at its lowest point. Using my graph right here, guys, we have the initial release day, the plummet to the ground, and we're sort of at this mark right here. Excuse me. I don't think we're going to go that much below. If I had to call, let's say this, the $200 mark, product will not be dropping below 200. I can guarantee you that. We might get close to touching it, but I think, guys, this product will just slowly increase. And I think, because I know this will happen, eventually within a few years, when the Pokemon hype starts again, like we have it now, this will easily be a $500 UPC, no doubt. 100%. I'm confident in that. I'm confident in saying that. But that's just me. And that's what I think is going to happen. I don't think this product is going to have explosive growth. And I say that because it's still quote-unquote new. But it's not quote-unquote new. And there being such a supply for it. If you guys look right now, Targets, GameStops, they stopped selling this. Because there's no more to be left. If you look on TikTok right now, there are YouTube Shorts. There are TikToks, there are YouTube videos of people going to Target still, May 30th, still finding Prismatic ETBs. They're still finding them, they're still finding Prismatic product. However, what they're not finding is this. So the reason, keep in mind, the main reason why I'm so hyped on this product is because, guys, lowest point since release. Keep that in mind, all right? Don't forget that. This is the only reason. Because if this was, I don't know, let's just say, if this was like 4 weeks from now and the product was already at like 230, you already missed the best buying opportunity, which is right here. And that's what I think, guys, we're at right now. Now, you could go ahead and prove me wrong, but I do think that. And of course, the product can move a few dollars up or down. I'm not saying it's to stay at 215, but I do really believe in this. Next product. Let's talk about Blooming Waters. If you guys have not seen this already, then you have to check. Oh my, I'm so thirsty. Sorry about that. These products have been getting printed and found at every Target. I'm pretty shocked myself, and I'm pretty excited because tomorrow, for the first time ever, I might go ahead and try to strive and try to catch a restock. I don't know if it's going to work out, but I've heard some sayings that there might be a restock, and I might go and check it out for Destined Rivals, and I'm thinking, hey, that might have some Blooming Waters. That'd be pretty hype. But yeah, guys, this product is getting printed, and they're getting found everywhere. Now for 12, okay, let's think about this now. The reason why I chose this product is because this product, guys, if you're learning my vocabulary along the way, this is a pack box. What's a booster bundle? A pack box. What's an ETB? An aesthetic pack box. What's a Prismatic UPC? An aesthetic pack box finale type, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully you guys are getting my point. The only reason why people buy these is for the pack. So no one gives a crap about the Venusaur or Blastoise at all. No one cares. They only want the packs. When they get an ETB, they like the aesthetic. Is this thing aesthetic? Not really. I mean, honestly, it's not. This is. And you guys get my point. Learn my vocab, okay, in this channel. It's going to pay off, I promise. This, my friends, is a pack box for 151, as all of you know, has been one of the most hyped sets along Prismatic during this crazy turnover. And in this, oh my, in this, we're gonna call it $100. In this box, you get yourself 12 packs of 151. And if we divide that by around 100, right? That's around like $9.50 a pack. I might be a little bit off. Might be like $9.75. Whatever you want to call it. That's what we're getting, guys. $9.75 a pack. Now, same thing with Crown Zenith. If you guys remember the Scene Sky Premium Collection box from Sam's Club, that was a pack box. I have 6 of those. Call me a scalper. I did not scalp at all. 6 is a pretty solid investment for the long term. This is exactly Crown Zenith, but in 151 form. And I believe that that's what we're getting at, guys. 151 has been, the price to pack ratio has been on the decline. And why I believe it's on the decline is because of the pack box, guys. It's all coming together. It all makes sense. Because people are getting these, they're selling the packs from it because they're getting extensive value. And what happens when there's high demand? High supply, price drops. So that's what we're going through right now. That's why packs are around the $9.64 mark. If we take a quick look, broad 6 months, or past year we'll call it. No, we'll do 6 months. I like that. We saw the highest peak of $12.50, and then we've seen a genuine decline. Why? I honestly don't know exactly what happened in these time periods. But I can tell you right here, guys, is because of these getting printed. I mean, look at the buy volume on this, $100. This, my friends, if you want 151 and you want the packs to hold on for long term, which I can highly suggest will be a very smart move, this might be the best buying opportunity for this. I think that this Blooming Waters box, guys, can probably hit $90. And I say that with genuine confidence because people have been starting to catch these at Targets recently. And this product is still quote-unquote fairly new to Target right now. I know people are still finding these tomorrow, next week. These might still be coming out. But unlike the Prismatic, I'm going to go back to this. This is gone. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye. You're never going to see this at your Walmart Target again unless your vendor has it camped in a box and decides randomly to release it, or gets very, very lucky and gets another shipment of this, which I thought will happen. But back to this. I do think, guys, this could easily drop to $90. I mean, this guy just sold it for $100. Pretty cool. And as you guys can see, the prices are slowly decreasing from 115, 107, 106 to 100. That might be the new trend. I have no idea. 105 right here from this buyer. And as I was saying, guys, 151 is such a hype set. And honestly, we're getting to the point where 151 theoretically might not be in such print as it was unless Pokemon decides to print it massively, which I could totally see, which is why I'm not so far-fetched on sort of the overall set. But I'm telling you, if you guys want the packs, and if you guys want the packs for long term, I'm telling you, you spend yourself $500 buying 5 of these for $500, you're going to get yourself 60 packs, and I'm telling you, that could pay off long term pretty well. Now, as I was saying, guys, I do think that this could drop to 90. I think a reasonable case is probably a 95, and I think the average is probably going to be 100 for this box, because I do think 151 is still so hyped around. But I can really see this guy's take off. We saw it take off. I mean, this is nothing new, right? Of course, it's such a riggedy chart, but of course, this is what it looks like, guys, when this set is still out there. But what we're going to see for the long term, that's exactly what I said in the video, so don't get mad at me telling you guys I can make $500 in 5 months. I think the long term, we can easily see this box follow the price to pack ratio. So whatever the prices are for 151 will be how much worth this Blooming Waters is. So say, for example, 151 pack is $15. 15 times 10 is 150. So $180, $180 for this. And I can reasonably see that, and I bet you guys can too. That's nothing too crazy, right? You're getting yourself a third of a booster box of 151. Can't complain about that. And the nice thing, guys, and I have to say this as an investor because I don't want you guys getting scammed out there or anything. If you ever buy packs, please, and I highly force this onto you. Never buy packs like this, because if you buy packs single, you never know the true risk that was with that product. Buying product in general is very risky. I hate buying product off a third party, but I'm telling you guys, buy product in boxes. If I was a collector and someone came up to me with 12 packs of 151 or a Blooming Waters box, 100%, 110%, I would go for the Blooming Waters. Why? Because I know that it's a box. I know it's sealed. I know that oh my god. I know they have not been touched. And you can verify the box to see if they have been touched. But there's a high percent chance that it's a legit product. Which goes into my point, guys, of being just trust the box. Don't go for this, alright? A lot of talking today, guys. A lot of talking today. If you guys did go ahead and try to catch yourself Destined Rivals, let me know how that went. I'll probably will do a certain video on this soon again. Probably with Destin, prices have been dropping, and I'm telling you guys, this is expected. If you guys watch my videos, I know I'll probably see some Mewtwo maybe hit 300 bucks, 250. That'd be kind of a snipe then for me, at least. I just love the card, but that's separate. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope all of you did enjoy, and if you did agree, let me know in the comment section. If you disagree, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear you guys, what you guys say. Have a great day, my friends, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.